I love Mommy. Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? Yeah, he said yeah. I love this bird. He's been kind of put on the back burner since we got the dog, but he doesn't mind. He loves Bentley. He loves being around a dog. Yes, he does. Georgie is a very social creature, just like the dog. In fact, I heard someone who had a parakeet that just died for no reason, and the vet said, "Is the bird left alone all day long?" And they said yes. And the vet said that's why the bird died. They're just like us. They need to be around people. Yep, they need to be around other things, other living things, in order to be happy. So, George, are you going to say something? And I swear that birds see into the spirit realm, because he will all of a sudden just start looking up into the ceiling, staring from one end to the other, like he's seeing something. And I'm like, George, what are you seeing? Who's here? Are you seeing angels? He's turning away from me now. But I often wonder that. I was going to just take a video of my new bedroom. We put a few new things in there, and I was going to show you the collectibles that are in a curio in my bedroom. But my husband's fixing our motor that raises the head up. He's tightening the bolts, so I can't do it. So we have to come up with plan B. Anyway, I wanted you guys to know that George molts his beautiful feathers out. As you can see, he's missing a tail feather, but he has all sorts of beautiful varying lengths of feathers on his body, and I save them, and people buy them on eBay. They use them for costumes and art and jewelry and fishing lures and all sorts of things. So I sell Georgie's feathers on eBay. Don't I, George? I think this is the most active you've ever seen him. Yeah. He's got a perch on this side of his cage. He's got a perch on the other side of his cage. He's got a perch up there, 2 of them. This is his wheelie tray that he eats with us, and we wheel him into the kitchen every night at dinner. And he gets to eat what we eat. He likes meat and potatoes and noodles and veggies and cookies, but we don't give him a lot of sweets because they're not good for him. But he's a big bird. He's a big boy. And he does have his band on his leg from the breeder. Can't really see it, but it's on this leg. It's silver. Sometimes these birds get so fat that the band has to be removed. These birds have a tendency to be overweight. He's a yellow-naped Amazon without a yellow nape. He's supposed to look like this. Oh, there, my camera's lightening up. That's what he's supposed to look like, and he did look like that at one time. But he molted the yellow out. And, did you just say, huh? You want to say hello? You want to say hello? Anyhow, Bentley's probably still sleeping. Yes, he is. Let me zoom in on him. This is rare footage right here. Very rare footage. A quiet puppy. My camera's lighting is not liking that. But you're looking at some rare footage. A 4-month-old puppy sleeping, and it's only 10:45. Okay, folks, that's it for now. I'll be back later. Bye.